In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the intricate art of horseshoe welding, providing step-by-step instruction for the successful project. As we embark on this unique journey, we will explore the essential tools and materials needed, ensuring you are well prepared for the task at hand. Our tutorials meticulously outline the proper safety measures, emphasizing the importance of protective gear and ventilated workspace. We will then guide you through the process of selecting the right type of horseshoe and specific need of the horse, taking lines in the welding techniques as we introduce time tested method and share expert tips to achieve durable and effective results. Throughout the narration, we will address common challenges and providing troubleshooting advice, empowering you to overcome hurdles with confidence. Additionally, we discuss customization options, allowing you to add a professional touch to your horseshoe creation. Either you are seeing blacksmith or noise enthusiast, our in-depth exploration of horseshoe welding tailored to cater to all skill levels, ensuring rewarding and satisfying experience from start to finish. As we embark, we will explore the necessary tools and materials, providing insightful tips of selecting the right types of steels for durable functionality. Our detailed instruction will cover the entire process from preparing the horseshoe black to precise measurements and shaping techniques. We will then move out to critical welding phase. Our will share expert insight in achieving optimal heat control, proper bead formation, and ensuring a secure bond between the shoe and the hoof. Safety construction we will emphasize throughout, guiding you in the use of protective gear and best practice to minimize risk. Throw you to noise blacksmith and the second professional techniques needed to undertake horseshoe welding project with confidence and precise. Join one look the secret as we time Android craft, providing you with the comprehensive resource successful in every step of process. Horseshoe play a crucial role in maintaining the healthy and performance of horse, making precise, durable welding essential. We will explore the step-by-step process, crafting and welding. The project not only requires technical welding skills but also the understanding of unique an- anatomy and the bio machines. Throughout the narration, we will develop insight tips on optimizing the welding process for both efficiency and quality, ensuring that resulting horseshoe are not functional but also contribute for the horse for the fire mm, metal to Ramithik Clinic and Hammers join with journey through the fascinating world of horse welding, where tradition meets modern craftsmanship. Crafting this perfect mastering and integrate welding techniques, we will explore the various type of horseshoe available, each tailored to specific unique needs, guide and use step-by-step process of welding them precious from the initial design phases, contribute fit and horseshoe along the way. We will discuss the importance of safety measures, equipment selection and troubleshooting common welding change. Either you are since blacksmith looking to enhance your skills and noise scare you horseshoe welding and rover We showcase the tools required for precision and efficiency, emphasizing safety measures for both and artisans. The unique companions in the depth analysis over various welding methods such as welding and gas welding, offering insight into their respective advantage and application of the context horseshoe fabrication. Additionally, we share functional tips and tricks to enhance the overall quality of the finished product, ensuring to comfortable and sure fit for the horse. Either you are seen blacksmith for DIY enthusiasts, these tutorials cater all skills levels, providing thorough understanding of the horseshoe welding process. Several of the joints informative journey as we forego tension between the craftsmanship and the from the select of the right materials to the proper handling of the welding equipment. Each crucial aspect of thoroughly explained to ensure the seamless and successful project for our optimized voiceover drivers not only well information but also enhances the audience with clear and concise instruction, making these tutorials an invaluable resource for both beginners and horseshoe welding as we empower you to knowledge and skills needed to undertake this rewarding project. The integrated art of horseshoe welding, providing you with step-by-step tutorials for crafting durable, effective horseshoe from selecting the right materials to mastering the welding techniques. This tutorial is designed to cater both beginners and seasoned welder. We will explore the essential tools required for the project, ensuring you to everything you need to embark in this rewarding endeavor. Tutorials Throughout the tutorials, we will share valuable tips and tricks to optimize your welding process, emphasizing safety and precautions. Whether you are obvious looking to expand your skills, further efforts seeking to enhance your craftsmanship, our debate guide will equip you to knowledge and expert needed to create high quality horseshoe. Whether you are seen blacksmith or divine enthusiast, this project crucial for successful horseshoe welding from selecting the right type of materials, mastering the precise measurements, explored the enhanced to creating custom fit shoe tailored individual horse hoof anatomy. Additionally, discuss various welding methods, emphasizing the significance of heat control and proper joint preparation for optimal results. Our tutorials also addresses common challenge faced during the welding proper and offer troubleshooting tips. Through this depth exploration, you will gain the skill and knowledge needed to elevate your horseshoe welding project to the to the next level, ensuring the well-being, the comfort of our unique companion. Buckle up our rope with get ready to form connection between craftsmanship and constraints care to the extensive. Each phase of the project is meticulously explained, accomplished by the practical tips, safety construction, as empowering you to overcome obstacles with confidence, with importance, precious measurements, and significance of proper Shoe shifting or emphasis toward the guide, empowering optimal comfort and preference for the unique companion to enhance your understanding. Visual aids and diagram are strategy not only not new appreciation of the craftsmanship involved in horseshoe welding but also opposed to like embark on your own project, fostering a deeper connection between craftsmanship and the constraints were the central up with joints of this immersive exploration of horseshoe welding project that seamlessly merged tradition, skills, and innovation. Throughout these tutorials, we will explore the essential tools and materials needed for the project, from selecting the right type of steel to the specific welding equip required. Step by step. We will guide you through the process of the